AI powered chatbots have become so famous recently that whether you are a local business, service business, or ecom, everybody wants one. Millions of people right now are leveraging AI or looking for people who can implement AI in their business. And today we're going to discuss about the top 6 AI chatbots for business websites. So let's get started. So, before we talk about the top 6 AI chatbots, let's talk about the benefits of having a chatbot in a business website. So, the first thing is 24/7 instant response. The chatbot will be able to answer all those questions immediately. Second, it also increases in lead conversion just by engaging with the visitors before they leave the site. Third, it also reduces operational cost. So before there is to be a human who has to handle all the FAQs, scheduling, basic support and everything. Right now your chatbot can do that. Fourth, it also improves in customer experience by providing answer to the common questions. Fifth, it also collects customer insight like what kind of common question do they have. Sixth, it also qualifies the lead automatically whether they're looking for a service, you have a particular budget for everything. 7. It also integrates with CRM, email, and automation. 8. It also supports multiple channels like Facebook, WhatsApp, Messenger, and everything. So, whether you're getting 10 visitors or 10,000, the chatbot will be able to scale your business. And 10th, improving SEO just by engaging with the visitors so that they stay longer in your website. So, let's talk about the 6 best AI chatbots for business websites. At number 6, we have chatbot.com. So, chatbot.com is a no code tool for creating chatbots for business websites. So, the pros are it's a no coding platform, it's 24/7 available, it can have smart conversation, it also has a live chat option. So basically, whenever your chatbot won't be able to answer the question, it can call or ask for a human to solve those queries, and it can also show detailed reports. And let's go for the cons. So it cannot add ChatGPT. So basically, they use their own NLP for answering questions. So it won't be as smart as answering questions like ChatGPT. And it can also do the manual updates, and it might be costly for startups, and the testing is required. So let's check the website. So this is the website by chatbot.com, and this is the chatbot will look like. If you go to this and you go to the contact and you can ask questions like, hey, this is how the chatbot will look like. And let's go for the pricing. So they basically don't have a free plan. The starter plan is $52. A second plan is 142 and 424. So it might be high for some kind of people. So at fifth position we have Tidio. Tidio is a no-code platform that combines live chat, AI chatbots, email and social media inboxes. So let's check the pros and cons of Tidio. So Tidio is a beginner-friendly platform. It also has a powerful AI. It also does unified support. So basically, the chatbot won't just be there for your website. It also be there for your social media as well, and it's also affordable. And it also does robust resources, which means Tidio provides excellent helps with talks, tutorials, videos, and live support. Now let's talk about the cons. It has loading issues, notification problems, and WhatsApp issues, and it might be costly with advanced features. Now let's check their website. So this is the official website of Tidio, and let's check the pricing plan. So they do have a free plan, but with only 50 billable conversation. This is how their chatbot looks like. And at fourth position, we have Chatbase. So basically, Chatbase is the fastest way to create a chatbot. Let's check the pros and cons of Chatbase. Chatbase does have a quick setup and multi-channel support. So basically, the chatbot won't just be there for your website, it will also be there for your social media as well. It also has a strong analytics. Let's check the cons. It has a limited customization and no human handoff. So basically, when the chatbot won't be able to answer the question, it just says no. It cannot add any human in the loop. And it also has a strict messaging limits. Now, let's check the website of Chatbase. This is the official website of Chatbase. Let's check the pricing page. So they do have a free plan and a $40, $150, $500 and an enterprise plan as well. And this is what the chatbot looks like. And at third position, we have BotPress. BotPress is a developer focused chatbot builder. Now, let's check the pros and cons of BotPress. It is basically an open source and customizable. It also uses NLU, natural language understanding, to answering human like questions. It is also using Visual Flow Builder, and it can be deployed in multiple channels like Facebook, Slack, WhatsApp, and everything. It also does modular integrations. Now let's talk about the cons of using BotPress. So as we know, BotPress is developer focused, so it has a steep learning curve and it has a limited template library. A social setup is needed as connecting to channels like Facebook, WhatsApp, or Instagram requires manual configuration and developer steps. And it also has an advanced AI setup. The pricing for advanced feature might be very high. Now let's check the website. This is the official website of BotPress and this is the pricing page. And here we can see we can start with $0 and it all goes all the way to 89 to 495 to $2000 a month. So in the second place we have Intercom. Intercom is basically an all-in-one customer communication platform that combines AI-powered chatbots, live support, help desk ticketing and marketing messaging. Now let's take the pros and cons of Intercom. So Intercom has AI first features, omnichannel engagement like social media, Slack and everything. It also has advanced automation plus powerful analytics. It also has a seamless handoff, like whenever the chatbot won't be able to answer the question, there is a human in the loop. Now let's take the cons of Intercom. So it's high cost. The pricing is very complex. It has a learning curve. Plus it has a limited customization with a mixed support. Now let's check the official website of Intercom. So this is the official website of Intercom. So it has a Fin and Intercom suite. So let's check the Intercom suite. So this is the official website of Intercom suite. So let's check the pricing. So this is the pricing page. As I've told you earlier, it has a complicated pricing pattern. Now let's check the chatbot. This is what the chatbot for Intercom looks like. Now let's talk about the best AI chatbot for business websites, which is VoiceFlow. So VoiceFlow is basically no code to low code platform for building AI powered chatbots and voice assistants. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of VoiceFlow. So VoiceFlow is basically an intuitive builder. It also has multi LLM support like Claude, ChatGPT and everything. It also has a multi-channel deployment like Facebook, WhatsApp and all. So it will be extensible via code and it has a collaborative environment with complex automation. So let's talk about the cons of VoiceFlow. It has a steep learning curve and it will be costly with scaling. Plus it has some kind of performance issues and a limited integration plus a basic analytics support. But it also has a high ticket usage. Now let's check the website of VoiceFlow. So this is the website of VoiceFlow and let's talk about the pricing. So it has a free plan whether you can check everything about the chatbot. And the first plan is $60 a month, then $150 and after that it has an enterprise plan. Now here after signing up you can check how the chatbot will look like. This is how the chatbot looks like. Now let's do a side-by-side comparison of all the chatbots. In the term easy to use, the best is Tidio, Chatbase and Chatbot.com. After that it is VoiceFlow, Intercom, then BotPress. BotPress is the last because it's more developer focused, so it takes some time to learn BotPress. After that it's AI power. In the term AI power, the best is Intercom, then VoiceFlow, BotPress, Tidio, Chatbase and Chatbot.com because Chatbot.com use their own NLP. After that customization and flexibility. In that BotPress is the best because it is developer focused. After that VoiceFlow because you can use some kind of code in VoiceFlow. After that everything in the same category. Let's talk about the multiple channel deployment. In this the best are VoiceFlow, Intercom and BotPress. After that it's Tidio, then Chatbase and Chatbot.com. In the live chat built-in, so which is basically human in the loop. Only 3 of the platforms can do it, which is Intercom, Tidio and then Chatbot.com. The other 3 platforms cannot do it. Let's talk about the integrations and extension. In this the best are Intercom and BotPress. After that it will be VoiceFlow. Then all the other 3 are in the same category, which is Tidio, Chatbase and Chatbot.com. Let's talk about the analytics and reporting. In this the best are Intercom. After that it's Chatbase and Chatbot.com. After that all the 3 other are in the same category. In the term of scalability for teams, the best is VoiceFlow. After that it is Intercom, then BotPress and after that all in the same category like Tidio, Chatbase and Chatbot.com. In the term pricing, the worst is Intercom because it has a complex pricing. After that it will be BotPress and VoiceFlow and Chatbot.com. But the Chatbase and the Tidio are in the same category. Let's talk about the learning curve. It is steep for advanced users, which is for VoiceFlow. It has a high for full setup, which is Intercom, and for BotPress is very steep because it's developer focused. And all the other 3 platforms are very easy to use. Now let's talk about the best use case for each chatbot. For VoiceFlow it's for custom AI chat and voice bots. For Intercom it is AI powered sales plus support. For BotPress it's complex NLP chatbots. For Tidio it is for small business websites. For Chatbase it is quick bot on GPT plus web data. For Chatbot.com it is for simple web bots plus live chat. Now in the conclusion we got is the easiest to learn and set up is Chatbase, The best AI capabilities is Intercom. The most developer friendly and customizable is WordPress. The best voice and multi-agent support is VoiceFlow. Now, if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. And in the next video, I'm going to talk about the tutorial for Chatbase.